Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. What we happen to have on our test stand here is one of our 400 horsepower Chevy 383 engines. You can check out this engine build. We build them from mild to wild. This one is again our 400 build. It made about 427 horsepower. But again, we kicked it with the torque and made 500 foot-pounds of torque throughout the RPM band. This one happens to have a Permastar intake. So that's some beautiful chrome Chevy valve covers on here. This happens to be our 750 electric choke Holly. We have a nice black cap distributor all dialed in with set for this gentleman. Again, this one has a fuel pump on here. We custom build each and every engine to order so we can build it your way. You have an idea, give us a call, we'll roll it around, we'll come up with something, and I'm sure you'll be happy with what we come up with. So again, thank you for your interest, and if you'd like to make a phone call, it's 1-800-267-3940. Peace and God bless. Thank you. All right, Marcia and Charles, I got your 68 Chevy Camaro engine here. Happens to be one of our 383 400 packages. Motor came out gorgeous. We're going to fire it up and give you a run. How's that? Take our choke off. I don't feel like we